Good day, guys. Welcome back. So let's take a look at this Amazon stock for the week. Now we will do a quick analysis by the way. So we will have to start from the higher time frame downward to the forward time frame and why we'll be making such movements. So let's start this movement from 2016 on the monthly time frame. We can see this 2016 Amazon stocks has actually been giving us a bullish move. You see it, we saw it throughout the year of 2016, 2017, 2018, 2019, 2020, even 2021, we actually had a bullish move. Higher highs and higher lows is what's playing out on Amazon stock. I think it actually spiked up around that 2020, right? During that lockdown. So anyhow, now this price has now gotten to its, will I call it a level or its peak, right? It's got to a level or its peak, which is around a level of 188 or 189. So after that, price has now changed its direction and it is now giving us some movement, which is a bearish move. Now take a look at this level previously, right? This movement that was being made previously was trading above the 10 period simple moving average. We were getting an higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows on the 10 period simple moving average. But right now we are getting a lower lows and a lower highs, thereby price is now trading below our 10 period simple moving average. So that is to tell you that more bearish move is to come. So whatever you want to do, it will not be the best opportunity to go ahead and buy on your Amazon stock. You just want to stay out of that stock, right? So stay out of your Amazon stock. All you just want to do is to sell. If you have to trade, you have to go ahead and sell. So let's take a look at this movement as a drop, and we would consider this to be a pullback. Here would be seen as a drop, a new lows, and a pullback being made here, and now a new lows has been made. So sooner or later, right, we would have a pullback on this Amazon stock. So let's see if it will get to the level of 871. I think it should be around the level of 60. I think it should be around close to a level of 60 before we start getting that pullback. So as at now, these Amazon stocks will continue to give us a bearish move. So this movement, this bearish move started, let's say August, right? You can see to the month of August, we opened and closed bearish. Then here comes the month of September, we opened and closed bearish. The month of October, we opened and closed bearish. And now this is the month of November, we opened and closed bearish. If you take a look at the month of December, we opened and closed bearish. Now that we are in new year, which is January, right? By the time this month will end, we will also get a bearish move. So we expect this month of January to open and close bearish. So more bearish move is to come. One, you can also see price trading below the 10 period moving average. So as long as your price is below your moving average and we are getting this massive drop, then all you would want to do is go ahead and sell on Amazon stock. That should now take us to the weekly time frame. Like I said, before you place your trade, you would want to know the trend. So you can see the trend on this. This is a bearish move. So let's take a look at this here. Let's start this moment here on the weekly time frame, which will be seen as a drop. Here will be considered to be a pullback. Here would be seen as a drop, and we will take a look at this to be a pullback. This will be seen as a drop. Now a pullback has been formed here. Now a new drop. You can see that this lows has just been taken out. We've just broken this previous lows on this Amazon stocks. So that is to tell you that more drop is to come. So within this week, next week, next week, next 3 week, let's say throughout this month of January, right? We should expect more drop. So more bearish move will play out. So this is one of the reasons why Amazon stock that I'm predicting that this by the time this month will end, we should actually have gotten more bearish move. You can also see it's still trading below this 10 period moving average. So expect more bearish move. The week that just finished, which is last week, we actually opened and closed bearish. Now, this week that we are predicting for the first week of January, we would expect it to also open and close bearish, by the way. So that should take us to the daily time frame. You can see the trend on the daily time frame. A lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs is what's playing out, right? Now, let's see this as a lower lows here. We will take a look at this to be a lower highs, a lower lows here. So price is giving us a pullback and you've seen it hit our 10 period moving average. Now what you would be expecting next is another lower lows. So more drop is to play out. So let's see, let's start getting that drop within Tuesday, Wednesday. So Amazon stocks, bearish move is what's coming our way. And same thing with the forward time frame. So we should expect more drop anyhow. Above all, this week we would want to see our Amazon stock give us a bearish move.